your teacher tested?
We just read something and then we took a test on it.
Okay. Okay, allow me to share. Have you done that? Mm. 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 I'm coming. Why are you looking? I'm here. Okay, I want you to answer these questions. Hmm. When you've answered the first three, let me know what you got. Tell me the answers.
For number one, I got 3/8. For number two, I got 3/16. And for number three, I got 4/77.
Very good. We're on the same page. So let's do that quickly.
The rest of them?
Yes, please.
Okay.
air public. I don't know how many times you listen to what I've been saying. B.
I'm done.
Okay, so quickly, what's your answer for number 4?
1/8.
It's 1/7. 2 divided by 14 is 7.
Oh.
What's your answer for number 5?
2/7.
Did you say 3/7?
2/7.
Yes. Or 6?
10/63.
Number 7.
5/33.
Beautiful. Number 8.
1/40.
Number 9.
1/8.
Yes. Number 10.
48/180.
Is 8/45. Because, like I always say, you can always reduce it so that you don't have those big scary numbers. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 9 is 3. So you have 8 and
Oh,
over 45.
I wrote the wrong number.
Okay. Number 11 is
1/12.
awesome. Good. And number 12.
12/80.
If you have 12/80, you can still reduce it. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 30 is 10. 2 divided by 10 is 5. 2 divided by 6 by 12 is 6. You can still reduce it. So you have something like 3/20. That should be your answer. So well done. At least, how do you feel about fractions now? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Very well, or just a little.
Very well.
Okay, so that's good. So, but one thing I want you to understand also is those word problems that so you know
What'd you
when to put. One thing I want you to understand is those word problems that we were doing the last time. So you know how to arrange your fractions very well. Then we're able to move from. Let's go to money in your maths textbook.
Money?
Yes. As unit 9, money.
I thought we were still doing percentages.
Okay, do you want us to still do the percentages?
I don't know.
Okay, let's still do the percentages for today. Then from Sunday, we start with a fresh topic. Okay? We go to practice exercise 23.
Okay.
Okay, before we even start, what I want you to know is that when they say discount, what does discount mean?
To reduce the price.
You reduce the price. So when they say percentage discount, how do we find it?
Uh,
You can check.
by discount over original times discount over original price times 100 over 1.
Yep. Okay, so now I want you to do number 4, even though I think we've done it before. Do it on your on the screen.
Okay. It was not working.
If it's not working, do it on your book and let me know if you answer.
It's working now.
Okay. Read your question. I hope it's the same question I'm looking at. Read the question here too.
An electric iron.
Okay, it's the same. It's the same thing.
And then I divide 300 over 24.
But you didn't find the discount first now.
The discount is 240.
No. Let me read the question to you.
Oh.
An electric, you know what? You found your mistake.
Yeah.
So it's the discount that will be on top, the original price, then you multiply by 100. No, hold on. You can't cross on top. You cross one on top, one below. First mistake. Second mistake is that you have to actually calculate the discount. If the original price is 3,000 and it was sold for 2,400, so what is the discount?
2,400.
No. How much was given as discount? What is the amount that was taken out of the original price?
3,000 minus 204. 2,400.
Exactly. So it is that 600 now that will be on top of 3,000 times 100 over 1.
%20.
Exactly. Okay. So the first thing for you to do is to actually calculate the discount before you now say, okay, let's try another one.
Okay. Which one? What number?
Look at number 15.
A number of radio sets are advertised as 525 each. What amount will OB pay for 6 radio sets if he is given a discount of 8% on each?
Okay. So how do you think you are going to do this one? Now, I want you to tell me first before you start writing. How do you think you're going to do this one?
I don't know.
It says a number of radio sets are advertised at 525 naira each. So what amount will Obi pay for 6 radio sets? So your first task is to find the price of 6 radio sets. That's 525 times 6.
$3,150.
Okay, good. So the next thing to do is to calculate 8% of 3,150. So that would be 8 over 100 times 3,150.
8
You know you can still divide even before multiplying like this. Okay, well done. Now divide by 10.
252.
252, yes. So now the question says, how much will he pay? So you have the original price, you have the discounts given. So how much will he pay? What do you do?
Wait,
What do
three,
you do?
3001. Wait. No. Wait, 2.
No, no. You've already done all your. Listen, I want you to listen again. You have the original price of 3,150. You know that he was giving a discount of 252. So how much did he pay? You've calculated your discount already, so you shouldn't be doing this again. That was what you did when you did 8 over 100 times 3,150. What do you think you should do, young lady? You went to the shop. The original price was 200,
250.
and you were given just listen. The original price was 200. You were given a discount of 20. How much did you pay?
The discount was. Wait, what'd you say? Can you repeat?
You went to buy candy, and the original cost of the candy was 200, and the shopkeeper gave you a discount of 20. How much did you pay?
I paid 180.
Very good. So the original price for the radio was 3,150, and he paid 252. No, and he was given a discount of 252. So how much did he pay? Do you get it now?
Wait, so I do 3,150 minus 252.
Yes, ma.
$1,898.
Or 2,000, you mean?
What'd you say?
I said you mean 2,000, not 1,000.
2,000?
You mean 2,898.
Oh, yeah, 2,000.
Very good. Okay, so now let's do number 21.
What is
So hold on. You're supposed to use the information above. A man earns 6,400 per month. He pays 10% of it as tax, spends 38% on food, and 15% on transport. So the first thing to do is to calculate how much he spends on all of these things.
Wait, a man earns.
Um, so for the first one, how much of tax does he pay? That's 10 over 100. So you write tax, do it in your book. Tax is equals to 10 over 100. Do it in your book so that you can write better.
Wait. So
you calculate the tax first, which is 10%. You know how to do that, right? That's 10 over 100 times 6,400.
$640.
Okay. So the next one, you can do everything now. So the next one, calculate for food and calculate for transport.
Wait.
It's the same way you calculated for tax that you will also calculate for transport. Okay? Have you gotten the amount for food? Have you gotten the amount for food?
No.
Okay, you're still doing it.
Wait, do I use 640 or 6,400?
It's 6,400, the original amount. Everything you are calculating, you are using the original amount. You've already calculated the tax, which is 6,640. So leave it there. Now do the same thing for the next one, the same thing for the next one.
2,432.
Good. So now calculate for transport.
$1,160.
1,000 what? It's not possible.
1,000.
15 over, do it again. 15 over 100 times 6,400.
Renowned Nigerian comedian Basket Mouth
I
recently
still
shared
got
a happy
1,106.
Use your calculator on your phone to confirm your answer.
$960.
Good. So now it says, let's continue. Now it says he saved the remaining. So what you are going to do is to, why am I the one telling you what you are going to do? Tell me what you are going to do. Now you've calculated the amount of bills he paid. Well, how much did he save?
How much did he save?
Yes, from his salary. Yes, now the first one, how much did he save? And this thing is very easy. You know how much he earned in a month. You know how much bills he paid. So how much did he save?
Because I don't know what to do.
And you at the beginning of the week, mommy gave you $10, right? You paid $4 bills, and you saved the remaining. How much did you save?
6.
Good. So this guy paid a certain amount on transport paid a certain amount of food, paid a certain amount as tax. So how much did he save? So you add up all his bills together and subtract it from the original amount. So how much, what's the total amount of bills he paid? That's 960 plus 2,000 something plus something plus 640. Use your calculator to add it.
32.
Hmm?
4,032.
Good. Now subtract it from the original salary, from his salary.
$2,368.
Very good. So now let's go to the questions. The first question says, what is his gross annual salary? When you say annual, how many months do we have in annual? What does annual mean?
Everything?
Annual means a year. How many months are there in a year?
12.
I didn't hear that.
12.
Good. So how much did he earn in 1 year if he earns 6,400 every month? Have you gotten your answer?
Not yet.
You should be able to do the remaining.
Cash already almost maybe what, twice a month? And you can't afford it.
$76,800.
Very good. So look at the next question and give me an answer for it. Did you say 26,800?
No, I said 72,800.
72 or 76?
76.
Okay.
Uh, 38,400.
Good. Number 4. Number 23.
$29,184.
Really? It can't be up to 29,000. Oh, how much? Okay, yeah, it should be. The last, do the last one.
$11,420.
Hmm?
$11,420.
Okay. So you're done with that. Well done. I'm sending something to your WhatsApp now. Have you seen it?
Oh, I'm checking. I've seen it.
There's more coming.
No.
Oh, he said no. It's easy now. For instance, it says, how much do you need to pay if you get 10% discount? What's 10% of 1.5?
150.
150. So you say 150, take away 1.5. So you need 1,350.
Wait, what'd you say?
I thought your answer for number one is 1,350.
Because
Number two, the price of a t-shirt is $50. If you buy 4 t-shirts, how much is 4 t-shirts? How much is 4 t-shirts, young lady? How much is 4? How much is 4 t-shirts? 4 t-shirts.
wait, the price of a t-shirt is $50. If you buy 4 shirts, you will get 10% discount. How much will you pay? How much will you have to pay if you buy 8 shirts?
So you need to find the
Wait,
price of. Okay.
you need to find the price of what?
You need to find the price of 4 t-shirts first.
It says 50 shirts.
It says what?
50 shirts.
One t-shirt is 50. How much is 4?
Um,
5 times 4, Eniola.
200.
200. And it says you will get 10% discount if you buy 4. So 10% of 200 is what?
10%.
You know what you are going to do? As you're not just going to do some mini, money more for me. As you're answering these questions, you are going to show me what you did. You're going to write out your steps, just the same way I sent you that correction, so that it will help you understand what you're doing. The price of a t-shirt is 50. If he buys 4 t-shirts, you'll get 10% discount. 10% of 200 is 20, right? So I take 20 from 200 is 180. So 4 is 180. 8 is what? 360. Right? Don't tell me you are confused though, because I can start crying.
I don't get it.
Look at it again and tell me which part you don't get.
I don't get how to like
You don't get how.
find the percentage.
You don't get how to find the percentage. Percentage that we just finished doing.
Like,
You already know the price. You already know the price for 4, right? Which is 200, and you know it says 10% discount. So if you change 10% to a fraction, is what?
it's
10 over what?
10. over 10 over 50 times
100. 10 over 100. Any percentage is a fraction of 100. So if I say 5%, 5% is 5 over 100. If I say 80%, 80% is 80 over 100. Do you remember that? Huh? And then I need answers.
Yes.
Do you get it? Do you get that now?
Yes.
Good. So now you know the price for 4 t-shirts, which is 200, right?
Yes.
Right? Very good. I don't want the attitude. I want you to get it. That's why I'm going this way. So 50 times 4 is what?
200.
Very good. So 10% of 200 is what? Calculate it for me. Have you calculated it?
$20.
20. So if you remember now, they said the original price is 200. He got a discount of 20. So how much is he supposed to pay? And then how much is he supposed to pay for 4 t-shirts if he got a discount of 20? The total price for 4 t-shirts is 200. He got a discount of 20. How much is he supposed to pay?
180.
Good. So now you know the price of 4 is 180, right?
Yes.
Do you know that, right? Answer me now. Is a yes or no answer?
Yes.
Okay, so how much is 8? 4 is 180. 8 is what? It's just you doubling 180. It's just the double of 180. So that's 180. Huh?
180.
180 is 4. 8 for 4 shirts equals to 180. 8 shirts equals to what? That's 180 plus 180. It's just like double of 6. What's double of 6?
12.
So what is double of 18?
360.
Good. Do you get it now? Hmm? Do you get it? Hmm? Okay, you know what you are going to do? You are going to try it out and you're going to go back to all the examples that we've done. You're going to, so that you can see how you did it and to remind you of what you've been doing, okay? Is that fine? I've told you that math is very easy if you put your mind to it. Well, the minute you're already thinking it's difficult, then it will be difficult. If you put your mind to it and enjoy what you're doing, you find out that it's actually very easy. Mm? Approach it with a smile and say to yourself that I can do it, it's easy. Believe in yourself. Because it's the same thing we just finished. So I'm shocked now that you are telling me, oh, I don't understand. So if I ask you, what is 10% of 100? How do you do that? How do you calculate 10% of 100, Daniela?
10 over 100 times 100 over 1.
Beautiful. What is 25% of 100?
35.
That's 35. So just remind yourself of this. Any percentage you're looking for is if you're turning it to any percentage is over 100. 100% means 100 over 100. 90% means 90 over 100. 89% means what? 89 over 100. So when they say 89% of an amount, it simply means 89 over 100 times something. Do you understand it now? Do you understand it now?
Yeah.
If I have, for instance, if you have $2,000 and I say, what is 25% of $2,000? What would you do? 25 over 100 times 2,000. Do you get it now?
Yes.
No, you don't have to say yes if you don't do. If you are saying yes, I need to see the expression on your face. Don't say yes because you think that's what I want to hear.
I get that, but I don't get how to do the question.
You don't get what?
I get how to do that, but I don't get how to do the question.
So the thing about the question is for you to read it and think about it. It requires a little bit of critical thinking. If you think about it, you'll be able to figure it out. It's not just all the questions don't just come directly. There are some that you need to think about and look at, oh, what are they trying to hide in here? So let's look at number 3 together. The price of a computer after discount is 1,002. If the discount was 20%, what is the original price? Leave number 3.
The price of a
Let's go.
computer. What do you say?
I said leave number. Don't answer number 3. Let's go to number 4.
Mike and Mandy bought the same item. Mike paid 15,000. Mandy got discount and paid 3,000 less than Mike. How much discount did Mandy get?
Yes, it says 3,000 less than Mike. That one's very, very simple. Mike paid 15. Mandy paid 3,000 less. How much discount did she get? What are you supposed to do?
You're supposed to do 15,000 minus 300,000.
Very good. Okay, so let's look at number 5 together. The price of an apple is $1.25. If I get 20% discount, how much do I pay? That's also very simple. 20 over 100 times 1.25. You're not supposed to be doing it now. So let's look at, let's look at number 6.
Times 1.25.
Hmm?
That is a 1.25.
Yes.
Wait.
Number 6. Normally a PlayStation costs 500, but you only want to pay 450. How much discount in percent do you want? So you need to calculate the discount first, which is what? Look at number 6, which is what?
450.
No, you want to pay 450. The original price is 500. How much discount do you want? How much do you want taking off the price?
450.
And your laugh. And your laugh. And the original price is 500. You want to pay 450. How much was taken off?
50.
Very good. Now you want to calculate that 50%. You want to calculate that discount in percentage. And you know what to do. It's discount over the original price times 100 over 1. So I need you to work on it. Okay?
Okay.
When you are done, send it to me. Okay? Bye.
Bye. Bye.